Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast, The Hidden Power. I'm your host, Dr. Susan Cardin. The topic for today is Introduction to the Hidden Power. We, the human beings, has immense potential and power. As you know, we all have some hidden power within us. And most of the time, the power that we know that we hold is just the tip of the iceberg. We have immense potential, and you need to understand, unleash this potential. Unlike animals, we humans can think, make decisions, develop plans, take actions, and build our beliefs. And we behave based on these beliefs. How strong is your belief decides how well you are going to build your life. You are a powerhouse of potential energy, and you should know the energy source and how much you hold within yourself. It is enough to destroy any obstacle on your way towards your success. When you face with challenges, the power within you definitely motivate you to reach your destination, overcoming all the challenges and destroying any obstacles on your way. Imagine if your life is like a motor vehicle. You know you are on the driving seat. And one thing you should be very clear about, we are not the owner of the vehicle. The owner of the vehicle is the creator of the universe. He holds the key. What he does is, when you are born, he starts the engine and he hands it over to us and say that you run it. You take decisions, you plan your path, you decide your destination and what is your speed, which gear you want to go, and in between if you want to just stop by, you can do that. But you don't have the power to switch off the engine. Then again you can move ahead until you reach your destination. During the way, whatever you want, maybe you want to pick up some skills and maybe some learning, and various experiences will give you some wisdom, and also sometimes the vehicle will meet with an accident, and from where you need to really build yourself. You need to take care of yourself, give whatever, understand your damage and give whatever support and help you require. Maybe you need support from others. Maybe you need extra resources. Everything needs to be decided by you, and you yourself only can lead your life. And no one else is responsible for your life. And the important thing is, the most vital thing you need to know is the power the creator of this universe has put within you. What you need is the trust in you and on the universe. And when you have the trust within yourself and the universe, you will be able to do anything. You will be able to achieve anything with confidence and vigor. And when you control your vehicle like a good driver, you should navigate your journey and you reach your desired destination by controlling the steering in the right way. Use your brake, clutch, and manage the gear of your life vehicle in an appropriate manner. When you decide your path, make sure that you have the right strategic plan. Understand what this particular path you are taking for your life stored for you, so that you're prepared enough to face any challenges on your way. If your path, when you are going, you realize that you're not, I think I lost my path and this is not the way I need to go. I think I have taken the wrong route. Don't be panicked. Just, stop your vehicle for some time, maybe for a day or two, and just think and take an off from everything, maybe from work or your other activities, and think where you went wrong. Again, if you wanted to take a different route, take a deviation to left or right, or maybe you need to take a U-turn, please be confident to do that. Make sure that you never abandon your vehicle. See, God has given it to you. Yes, it is continuously functioning. The important fact you need to know that when your vehicle once started, the engine is continuously functioning. It will not stop until the Creator say stop. So you are not supposed to be stopping it. So please do not abandon your vehicle, or please do not forcefully stop your engine. You are not supposed to be doing that. If you feel tired and if you think that there is no resource to run, you can always get it from various skill coaching. Maybe you have a very good mentor and other support people, and gain your motivation through intrinsic or extrinsic motivations. And maybe sometimes you just have to relax to re-rejuvenate yourself. Whether you wanted to run your life in a neutral gear or a fast gear, and how fast, the pace is decided by you. And you need to understand one thing: the vehicle when you are taking, the life vehicle which you are having in your hand, when you are moving, you can decide whether you want to move forward, move to the left or right, or stagnated, or stay there itself. You have the right to decide whether to do something with your life or to stay just like that, not to do anything with your life. You can see that as you use it, your engine pick up the speed, and the acceleration is based on how well you use it and how continuously you use it. By doing the necessary maintenance on yourself, your health, both your mental and physical health, and acquiring the advanced skills and motivation, you can definitely keep your high level of performance intact always. So what you need to know is you should know your capacity of your mind, body, and your intelligence and your abilities and talents, and decide your path and your destiny. Be sure about your destination and navigate confidently. The Hidden Power podcast will provide you with tools and techniques to maintain a healthy attitude, belief system, life skills, energy, and motivation to drive your life with power and vigor. The Hidden Power will make your personal transformation easy and flawless. Listen to the Hidden Power podcast every day to empower your life. This is your host, Dr. Susan Korath. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, live well and laugh more. May God bless us all.